Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locating the workbook and verifying where it lives. Local, network, or cloud storage matters. Once done, make sure Excel is closed in other sessions so locks release. You also check the Excel version and whether the workbook shows as shared or protected. These are the common causes of read-only. If it's in the cloud, download a local copy now so you can apply edits immediately and avoid sync conflicts. Next, you attack protection and permissions. First, right-click File Properties and clear the Read-Only attribute, then open Excel and check Review menus for Unprotect Workbook or Unprotect Sheet. Enter a password if you have it. If Unprotect options are grayed out, inspect Folder or Network permissions and OneDrive or SharePoint sharing settings. You'll often need the owner to change access. Make changes and reopen the file to confirm edits are now allowed. This fixes most middle-stage issues. To finish, save an editable copy. You save as and choose a new file name or local folder so you bypass locks. If Excel still opens read-only because someone else has it open, ask them to close it or terminate stale sessions on the server. Then reopen. If corruption or persistent protection remains, repair the workbook via Open Repair or copy the sheets into a fresh workbook. One key troubleshooting tip: if save as fails, export data to CSV and rebuild in a new workbook.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.